Hello students of class 5th, myself Sana Ahmed. Hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. So today we will go through mathematics. Let's start with chapter number 2, operations on large numbers. Part 2, terms related to operations on large number. Addition. In an addition, the numbers to be added are called addends and the result we get is called the sum. Subtraction. In a subtraction, the larger number from which we subtract the smaller number is called the minuends, and the smaller number which is subtracted is called the subtrahend. The result of subtrahend is called the difference. Multiplication. In a multiplication, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number by which it is multiplied is called the multiplier, and the result obtained is called the product. Division. In the division, the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number which divides is called the divisor. The result obtained is called the quotient, and the number that remains at the end is called the remainder. Multiplication. So students, let's see how to perform multiplication. First, arrange the number in this form. Now students, start from this to this, then we will multiply to this, then this one and this. Again we will repeat this to this one and this, yes, in this pattern. So let's start from this ones digit. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 2 is added, that's 34. 4 zeros is 0. 3 is added, it is 3. 3 fours are 12. Now come to the next line. First we will put a cross in the ones place, then we will start multiplication. 2 sevens are 17. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16 plus 1 17. 7 is written down here. 2 zeros are 0. 1 is added, that's 1. 2 6 are 2 3s are 6. Now what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. 8 4 4 8, this 10 1 is carried to this one. Now that's 4 and 7. Hope you understood. Division. Long division follows 4 basic steps which are repeated until remainder is 0 or less than the divisor. So this is our divisor, this is dividend, and here or here we put quotient. So let's start. First we took one digit from the dividend from the left hand side. As you can see, it's 9. 9 is smaller than 45. So we will take 2 digits from the dividend. Now it is 96. Now we have to read the table of 45. 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are 90. So we will take twos are 90. Now next step to subtract. Subtracted 9s 0 9, and this will cancel out. Now next step to note down the next digit just near to this one, 5. Now start reading the table once again of 45. That's 45 ones are 45. 41 to the 90. 90 is greater than 95, so we can't subtract from this. So we will take ones are, that's 45. Now once again we will subtract. It will be 0 2, 20. Once again, we will note down another next digit, that's 2. Now start reading the table. 45 4s are 180. Now once again, subtract 22. Now again note down the next digit, that's 5. 45 5s are 2 2 5, it's 0. Now you can see the remainder is 0. That's mean our division has been done. Word problems. There were 2,940 marbles which were dropped at a school. 245 people went to pick. The people collected the same number of marbles each. How many marbles did each collect? Number of marbles is this much. Number of people picked them were this much. Now each people collected can we find out by dividing this by this one. So let's kids divide it. There are 3 digits, so we will take 3 digits from dividend. So 2 4 5 ones are 2 4 5. Now subtract, we will get 9 and 4. Now pass this 0 to this one. 245 2s are 490. So each people will collect 12 number of marbles. Mandira has an apple orchard. One row to the orchard has 95 apple trees. Find out the total number of apple trees in Mandira's orchard if there are 85 rows in all. Number of apples to one row were this much. Number of rows were this much. So total number of trees can be find out by multiplying these two numbers. So kids, let's multiply. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. Now we will put a cross. 8 5s are 40. 8 9s are 45. 8 5s are 40. 8 9s are 72 plus 4, that's 76. Let's add up. 5 7 10 8. So this were the total number of apple trees in all. Yes. A society has 1,145 flats in all. An NGO is collecting money to help earthquake victims. If each flat owner pays 550 rupees toward the cause, find out the total amount of money collected from the society. Total number of flat in all were this much. Now each owner pays this much rupees. So total amount collected can be determined by multiplying these two numbers. So kids, let's multiply. 0 is multiplied to anyone, we will get 0. So 40 for 4 digits. Now 1x, next digit, that's 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, that's 7, no carry. 5 1s are 5. Now next line we will put 2x. Next digit is 5. 5 5s are 25. Once again 5 4s are 20. 22. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 1s are 5. Now kids, let's add these three numbers. 0 5 7 9 12 and 6. So this much was the total number of amount we got from each person. A production unit has to supply 1,10,490 pencils to a group of 127 schools. If the production unit sent the same number of pencils to each school, how many pencils will be sent to each school? Number of pencils this much, number of schools this much. So number of pencils to be sent to each school can be found by dividing this by this one. So kids, let's divide 3 digits. So we will take 3 digit, but as you can see, these 120 is smaller than this one, so we will take 4 digits. So 127 8s are, that's 1016. So subtract this, that's 8, then 9 minus 1, that's 8, 0 and 0. Next digit is 9. So 140, 127, 7s are 889. It's cross out, then again 1 0 is left here, we will put 1. So 870 pencils were sent to each of the school.
So students, I hope you understood today's topic. We will meet again through the videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning and exploring new things. Thank you for watching this video.